Welcome to yet another introduction of the VX series from Onda. This one is basically the VX525 2.8 touch screen, which is a color touch screen, and it is basically using a WR time chipset, and it has a flash user interface. As you can read over here, flash UI. As I say, it's a touch screen. It comes in a very good presented box over here. That just have to take that off, and your player sits on over here. As you can see, right. It comes with accessories. It's your USB data transfer cable, your VX525 manual, your Onda cleaning cloth, the Onda soft carry pouch, your normal Onda headphones, and the stylus, which I'll be using to demonstrate this player to you. 3 sockets over here, one for your headphones, the reset button, and USB data transfer cable socket, and this is your micro SD slot card. We know for a fact it takes 8 GB, but we're still yet to confirm from Onda. Probably would take 32, but I wouldn't commit to 32 GB at the moment. But I know for a fact because we've used 8 GB and it works fine with the 8 GB, so it's definitely going to take 8 GB, and the capacity of this player is 8 GB as well. It comes with the Onda logo at the back. And this is basically one of the first players we got from Onda over here with the serial number, as you can see, 200001. Let's start the player. It's a bit flashy, but I don't know. It's like a Marmite. If people like it, they like it. If you don't like it, they won't like it. But it's basically a good player. I must say that. I must admit to that. As you can see over here, it's all loaded. You can change the desktop by just pressing that. There you go. Which one? Any of the one which you think is fine. That's a very good function for this one to start with. There are more coming anyhow. There you go. Right, you can see, you should notice some of these yellow and the pink bubbles coming up over here. That's again because of the graphic, the flash user interface. You have your watch over here, or the clock, whatever you call it as. The main menus, like the music, photos, and the videos, are over here at the front. While the other ones are, you can basically just browse through them. This is your recorder, this is your ebook, your settings, and your flash games. I'll be taking you through them later on. But it's a very nice player, I must admit. For the price, it's really very nice player, and it would make a very good Christmas present. That's the reason I think they've chosen to launch during this time when the Christmas is coming around. Right, we start with the music. As usual, I have this song over here. Right. You can have normal, pop, classic. That's this mode over here. You can control the volume from here. I'm going to be pausing that for now. The reason I've paused it because I'll show you. It can basically arrange the songs, as you can see over here, the albums, the genres, the record list, the artist, and stuff like that. Right. A good function for that is basically you have the photographs over here, and whilst you're watching the photograph, you want to listen to the music. Basically, just touch over there because it's handy. It's over there. That's it. Sorry. That's what you do. That's a very good function, I must admit. Just going to be pausing that and just close it. It's going to go back to that. You have an album viewer as well. You can orient the pictures as you want. There you go. You can set it as if you want to, you can change the transition effects, fade in and out, left to right, all that stuff. not wasting much of the time, because YouTube don't give me more than 10 minutes and you have to discuss anything about the player. So much of the photos discussed about it. Take you to the videos now. Again, it just opens up like that. It's basically started from the ones which I left. You can change and get the volume sorted out. It's a very good player. The sound is clear. The video quality you can see over here. I must apologize for this the lens, but the screen is so shiny I can't avoid it. That's what I've closed that. As you can see, that's your video sorted out. I just love this. Right. That's your recorder. I think that's it. That's your ebook. And there's the settings over here. You can see the different languages, main menu style. And this, what you can do is, if you don't want this stuff to slide, you can choose the small icon style, and it'll confirm. Do you want to use that? You just click OK to that. And basically, what that does is it takes all your icons right on the top, right over here like this. But I normally prefer the one with the sliding effects. I'm going to be changing that back to the sliding effect, sliding style. Confirm that. Yes. Go back. Transition effects. It all tells you about as to how you want your pictures to go from fading in to out. If you want to scale it left to right, right to left, scale to corner, you can choose any of the ones. Lock screen. This is a good function again. Like I've set it for 60 seconds because it won't let me do anything. I'm just going to set it for 10 seconds and show you exactly. It's like an iPhone. I'm not going to do anything for 10 seconds. What that's going to do is going to basically lock the player off, and then basically the screen goes blank. Yeah. And you touch that, it comes up with slide to unlock, and you move that, it basically unlocks your player. But I'm going to move that back to 60 seconds because I don't want it to keep unlocking whilst I'm over here. Again, the same iPhone style. You can change the date, the month, like that. And before you go there, it'll ask you, do you want to confirm that? Well, I'm not going to do anything right now. It's just going to be. That's the power management, system restore, screen calibration, all that stuff. Let's talk about a bit more of the flash games over here. It's very nice as well. What we've done is basically we've got our Digitalhue, which you can. It's basically a flash. No video conversion, nothing. It's just basically I drag and drop this particular file to it, and it works perfect. You can go back to the main menu. Well, not the main menu, but the menu for that. This drawing as well, which is, to me, is perfect. I mean, you know, it's like you can scribble whatever you want on the screen, and then you want to clear it off. Just basically clear that off. Write something, and if you want to write in notes or something like that, that's perfect. As you can see. Right, just going to go back. That's much talked about this player. There's nothing much which I can basically go more into it. But as I said, if you have any questions, do feel free to ask any of the questions you have, and get ready to order. And we'll see you soon, as soon as we can. For any technical questions you might have, don't hesitate to contact us through our website or through eBay ID Digitalhue. And that probably should be it about the player. And thanks a lot for looking at the player. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye.